Making your weekends interesting. Incorporate hobbies and activities. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on weekend routines. Today, we'll dive into a very important and exciting topic: incorporating hobbies and activities into your weekend routine. So if you are looking for ways to spice up your weekends, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Weekends are the perfect time to relax, recharge, and engage in the activities you enjoy. Hobbies and activities not only bring joy and excitement into our lives, but also help us develop new skills, stay active, and reduce stress. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, painting, hiking, or cooking a new recipe, these activities can greatly enrich our weekends. Now, the first step in incorporating hobbies and activities is to identify what you enjoy doing. Remember, the best hobbies are those that you feel passionate about. Don't worry about what others think. It's your weekend, after all. Take a moment and think about what you love to do in your free time. Perhaps you enjoy reading novels, practicing yoga, or experimenting with DIY projects. After identifying your hobbies, it's time to plan and allocate time for these activities during your weekend. If your hobby is reading, for instance, you could spend an hour or two each Saturday morning immersed in a good book. If you love gardening, you could dedicate Sunday mornings to caring for your plants. The key here is to ensure that these activities fit naturally into your routine, making your weekend more enjoyable and less stressful. While having a set of established hobbies is great, don't hesitate to try out new things. Weekends are a great opportunity to explore new activities and hobbies. Always wanted to learn to play chess? Give it a go. Been thinking about starting a blog? Why not start this weekend? Trying out new hobbies not only adds variety to your weekends but also helps you discover new passions and talents. Finally, remember that balance is key. While it's great to have a packed, exciting weekend full of activities, it's equally important to have some downtime. Allow yourself some time to relax, unwind, and do nothing. This balance between activity and relaxation is what will truly help you recharge for the week ahead. And that's it for today, everyone. Remember, incorporating hobbies and activities into your weekend routine is all about making the most of your time and doing what you love. We hope this video inspires you to add more fun and joy into your weekends. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning. Until next time.